Asusu Igbo. You are welcome to our channel. My name is Angel and this is Ugo. He's my husband and I am the teacher. He's a student here. So, teacher flog students in this class. There's no flogging, don't worry. I flog with my mouth though. So get ready. I flog with my mouth. If you don't get it right, it's my mouth. Welcome to Asusu Igbo. If today is your first time watching our videos, you are welcome. Every Wednesday on this channel we teach Asusu Igbo, learning Igbo language, and you're welcome in our midst. We are on a series learning how to pronounce words associated with alphabets in Igbo language, okay? And we've had several topics we've done, and today we are going to be learning how to pronounce words associated with be, qui, le, me, ne. Today I'm not going to waste time asking review of last class, but in the next class I'm going to ask you that. If you have not watched any of the classes, please make sure you go to the playlist that says Asusu Igbo and click and watch all the lectures there. Thank you so much for joining us. So let's go quickly into the class of today, okay? No waste time. Today we're going to continue with the word be. This is called be.
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 Be is cake and be.
Be.
Did you pronounce that right? Yes. Be. We have a word, a letter like that. Now, a word. These are 5 words. I'm going to pronounce the first 2 words and then you pronounce the last 3 words, okay? We are learning how to pronounce. Don't worry yourself about the meanings, but just the pronunciation. Pronounce it right. That's the first step. Pronounce it right, okay? The first one is apa.
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 Good. Apa. Say that again.
Apa.
Very good. This means back, okay? While the class is going on, I'm going to be saying the meanings of the word. Write down both the Igbo word and the English word, the meaning. Don't bother yourself trying to remember the meanings now. Just remember how to pronounce it. But write it down, because after this series, when we get into sentences, this will help you in making your own sentences, okay? Because the vocabulary keeps increasing. Okay, let's go again. Apa.
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 Good. Apa. One more time.
Apa.
Good. I know that some of these diphthongs, these double words, double letters, they're a little bit difficult to pronounce.
Okay.
Keep practicing, okay? Keep practicing. Next one is mpa.
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 Pa.
Mpa.
Be.
Mpa.
Very good. Now you got it. This means need. Enwere mpa. Need. Pa.
Mpa.
Very good. Next one. Now you're going to pronounce, but I know it's a little difficult, but I'm going to let you pronounce it. Try.
E. Pa. E. Ipe. Ipezo.
Ipeazo.
Ipezo.
Ipeazo.
Ipezo.
Ipeazo means last. Last. Ipeazo. Ipeazo. You try. Good job. Keep trying. Next one.
Pau.
Double.
Pau.
You try.
Pau.
Paw.
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 Paw. Call me. Paw means call. Boya, call her, call him. Mom, call me. Mom. Now phone. Call me on the phone. Next one is a little difficult, but you can try. You can do this. Go.
Pork. Pork pando.
Very good. Papando. Very good. You see, it's easy. The more you practice, the more you get better. Papando. KPA. Pa, right? Papando. Papando. Say that again.
Pork pando.
Very good. It means star.
Mm.
Star. Papando. Star. Okay. Now you're going to pronounce the whole word from beginning to end. Say after me. Apa.
Apa.
Mkpa.
Mkpa.
Ikpeazụ.
Ikpeazụ.
Pọọ.
Pọọ.
Kpakpando.
Kpakpando.
Good. Sit down. Go.
Akpa.
Akpa.
Mkpa.
Mkpa.
Mkpa. Ikpeazụ.
Ikpeazụ.
Pọọ. Kpakpando.
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 Very good. Now we'll go to the next letter. P, que,
Kwe.
P, que,
Kwe.
que.
Kwe.
So you see, K and W together is que.
Kwe.
So you're like que, qua, ku, qua, or whatever. Now you have aqua.
Aqua.
Good. Remember we learned the other time. Aqua. Aqua.
Aqua.
Aqua. Remember that, right?
Affleck.
Yes. Yeah. Quack, 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 quack. Yeah. Quack, 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 quack. Yeah. But now we're learning it just to pronounce the word que, aqua, aqua, aqua. Try it.
Aqua. Aqua. Aqua.
Good. Good job. You see? You pronounced that. Good job. Did you try that? Try it again.
Aqua. Aqua. Aqua.
Very good. Okay, next one. Okay, next one. This one, you should know this one.
Akugo.
Who's that?
You. I really want.
You see, I told you, my name is Akugo, right? So that's my name. Akugo. Right? Akugo. Very good. Next one.
Akuko.
Akuko. What is Akuko? Do you know?
Book.
Book. Good job. Akuko is book. Last class we studied Akoko, right? And that is news. News. Akoko is book.
And
Alright.
that one was Akoko. Akoko, right?
Akoko.
Akoko. Akoko.
Newsbook. Akoko, akoko. Akoko, akoko. Akoko, akoko. Try it. Try it.
Akoko. Akoko.
Again.
Akoko. Akoko.
Akuka, 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 akuka. Newsbook. Okay. Next one.
Cool.
Cool. Very good. Cool. What is cool? Speak. Say. Cool.
Cool.
Speak. Say. Speak.
Cool.
Say. Okay. Cool.
Cool.
Cool. Cool. Guinea. Say what? Cool. Next one.
Aku.
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 Aku means palm. Palm. Yes. Apple. Palm fruits.
Palm fruit.
The one you make palm oil from. Okay? Palm. Apple. Apple. Alright, now you're going to read after me as I pronounce the words, one after the other. Aqua.
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 Good. Akugo.
Akugo.
Very good. Akukwa.
Akuko.
Akukwa.
Akuko.
Kwo.
Ko.
Kwo.
Ko.
Aku.
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 Now, go.
Aqua. Aqua. Aqua.
Good.
Akugo.
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 Now, if you make mistake in my name, you're in trouble. Next one.
Akuko.
Yeah.
Ko.
Cool.
Aku.
Aku. Very good. Now let's get to the next letter. L.
Le.
L.
Le.
L. This is
L.
easy because it's almost the same pronunciation as the English letter, right?
Yes.
L. 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 Le.
Le.
Le. Now you
Le.
see that the air here is doubled, right? So it's le.
Le.
Le. So
Le.
this means look. Look. Le. Le akugo. Look. Akugo. Right? Le ugo. See you go. Le. See. Le. Look. Next one.
Allah.
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 Do you remember what Allah means? We've already learned this before. Allah.
Floor.
Floor. Yes. Ala means floor. Ala. Next one is your turn. You can pronounce.
Lolo.
Again.
Lolo.
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 Do you know what Lolo means?
Queen.
Queen. Correct. What is the opposite of Lolo?
Igwe.
Igwe. Very good. So Lolo. You are Igwe and I am
Lolo.
Very good. Lolo. Next one.
Alu.
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 Now, in some areas, they say arrow. But here, I'm saying alu because it's associated with L, but it's just some people that pronounce it like this. Now, this means abomination.
Abomination.
Abomination. Alu. Abomination. Some people call it arrow. Alu is all the same, but it's abomination. Next one. Now, this is a little difficult, but I'm going to see if you can try this. So, ready? Go.
Olele.
Take it easy.
O. Le.
Li.
Le.
Now you have to pronounce this one together.
O. Lilenya.
Very good.
Olilenya.
Olilianya.
Olilenya.
Olilianya.
Olilenya.
Olilanya. You see,
Olilenya.
when you're looking forward to something good coming. Olilanya. Hope. I have hope. I'm hoping for something. Olilanya.
Olilenya.
Olilanya. Olilanya.
Olilenya.
Normally, this two becomes la, lanya. You see? Olilanya. Okay. Next one. Oh, we have to pronounce these ones together.
Okay.
Ready? I pronounce, you pronounce. Let's go. Le,
Le.
ala.
Ala.
Lolo.
Lolo.
Alo.
Alo.
Olilanya.
Olilanya.
Very good. Ready? Go.
Le. Ala.
Ala.
Ala. Lolo.
Lolo.
Alo.
Alo.
Olilanya.
Olilanya. Very good. Now let's go to the next one. We're almost there. Good job. Good job. We're almost there. So, me.
Me.
Me. It's almost like the same as English letter. So it's easy for you to pronounce, okay? Now you have two double M's here. So you're going to double it, right?
Manya. Manya. Manya.
This is one thing that we Igbo people will like drinking when we go to the villages. Do you know what that is?
Manya.
Wine. Palm wine.
That's what it means.
Yes. Mmanya means a drink. Yeah, mmanya. Now the drink, you have to name which of the drinks you want. Achọrọ m mmanya coke. Achọrọ m red mmanya ọkụ. Achọrọ m mmanya ike. Achọrọ m, you know? Mmanya means drink. Now, mmanya as a drink is not the verb to drink something, okay? It means the drink itself, okay? So that is palm wine. It can mean red wine. It can mean even mineral, regular soda. Mmanya. Okay? Next one, manna.
Manna.
Manna. Like you want to say manna. Manna from heaven fell down. Yes. And the children of Israelites ate and were full. Manna.
Manna.
Manna. Manna means but. Manna. But. Manna. Achọrọ m mmanya. But I want a drink. You see, the vocabularies we're building will help you to construct your own sentences. Okay? Manna. Manna. Manna.
Manna.
What does manna mean?
But.
But. Very good. Next one is your turn.
Ma.
Ma. Now it's double M, so you got ma. Go.
Ma.
Ma. Ma means beauty. Beautiful. That's somebody's name too. Somebody's name is Ma. Ma. Beauty.
Ma.
Now, sometimes you have the word ma, just ma at the end, like my name, Chioma, right? It's still beautiful at the end. Ma, ma, oma, ama, or beauty, beautiful, beautifying, fine, all that all together. So ma, in a sense, is beauty. It's associated to beauty. Okay? Next one. It's your turn. Go.
Maka.
Maka. Maka. Mana. Mana means but. Maka means because. So now, maka. Maka. Go.
Maka.
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 Maka. Now, if you add an A here, you have a maka. That is somebody's name. Can I have the duster? Thank you. Amaka, maka. Maka means what? Because. Say that again. Maka.
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 Next one is
Mu.
mo or This means me. Mo, me. Manya, mo, my drink. Manyam, my drink. Manyam, my drink. Okay? Akwụkwọ, my book. Okay? Alright. Let's go to pronounce. Let's get to pronounce all the words. Okay? Read after me. Manya.
Manya.
Mana.
Mana.
Ma.
Ma.
Maka.
Maka.
Mo. Alright, very good. Go.
Mana. Oh. Manya.
Manya, correct.
Mana.
Mana.
Ma.
Ma.
Maka.
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 Good. Mo. Very good. Clap for yourself. Just one. Good. Alright, now let's go to the last letter. Na. Na.
N.
N. No. N.
Na.
N. N. Now we're going to pronounce the first word. Ndewo.
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 You always hear this one a lot, right? This means what? Welcome. Ndewo. Ndewo is also a way of greeting. Just like you say, Dalo. Ndewo, thank you. Ndewo means thank you. You always hear that, right? Ndewo. Thank you. Ndewo. Just like you always hear people say Dalo, right? Good. Ndewo. Ndewo. We always use this to greet people. Hello, Ndewo, Dalo. Kedu ademma ndewo no. Greetings. It's just a greeting. It's one of our regular greetings everywhere. Okay. Next one. Ndi.
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 Ndi means people. Plural. Ndi anyị, our people. Okay, people. People.
Ndewo ndi.
No, you don't say ndị anyị, ndị Igbo. Ndị Igbo, Igbo people. Ndị Igbo. Ndewo, ndị Igbo. So ndị means people, but it's not complete. Who are the people? You have to put the word behind it. Ndị Igbo, ndị Hausa, ndị Nigeria. Okay? Good. Ndị.
Ndo.
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 What is that?
Sorry.
Sorry. Very good. I know you know this one. Good job. Next one.
No.
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 No. What does a no mean?
Is it? It sounds like welcome.
It is welcome. It is welcome. No. Welcome. No. Welcome. You say come in. How do you say come in?
Bata.
Bata. No. Bata. What does that mean?
Come in, welcome.
Welcome and come in. No. Bata. No. Bata. Okay.
Ndo. No. Nri.
Nri. Do you know what nri mean?
Food.
Food. Good. So all the ones I've been teaching him before he can remember. Very good. Nri. Food. Nri means food. Say that again.
Nri.
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 Nri. And the last one, this is just an additional one.
Na.
Na. Na. Do you know what na means? Na means is. Is. Very good. You remember. Is. Na. Is. Na can mean is. Na can mean and. Okay? Na can also mean a preposition for on, under, and over. Na is a conjunction, is a preposition, is a verb. You can use it in 3 different ways, or even more. I will teach you that when we decide to talk about na as a word, okay? So now we're going to go through the whole na words. Let's go. Ndewo.
Ndewo.
Ndi.
Ndi.
Ndo.
Ndo.
No.
No.
Nri.
Nri.
Na.
Na.
All right, go.
Ndewo.
Good.
Ndi.
Good.
Ndo.
Ndo.
Ndo. No. No.
Very good. No.
Nri.
Nri.
Na.
Na. Very good. Okay. So this is where we are almost coming to an end, but it's not finished yet. So one more thing. You have to pronounce all these words by yourself, just so that you can practice. Remember, the whole week you can practice this word till next week Wednesday, when we're going to learn another series of letters. Okay? So we're almost there. We're almost at the end. Okay? So make sure you practice all the words you've learned, how to pronounce them. Pronunciation is very, very important. Okay? And that means you too. You have to practice all week. Now we're going to pronounce all these words one after the other from beginning to end. Ready? Go.
Akpa.
Akpa. Good.
Mpa. That's mpa.
Mpa. Good.
Itezo.
Itezo. Very good.
Po.
Po. Keep trying. Keep trying. Go.
Pa. This one's hard. Okay, I've said
You
it
can do
before.
it. You can do it.
Pa.
You have to pronounce it together. This, and this. Go.
Pa. I keep saying I'm trying to pronounce it.
It's the same. This and this is the same.
Yeah. Pa. Right? P. K-P-A.
This is KPA,
Pa.
this is KPA.
Pa.
So you pronounce the same thing twice.
Papado.
Good. Pa-pa-ndo.
Papando.
Okay? Pa-pando. Go.
Papando.
Pa-pando. So this is KPA, pa, KPA, pa, N-D-O. Do.
Okay.
Right?
Yeah.
Pa-pando. Go. Next one.
Aqua.
Aqua.
Akugo.
Akugo.
Akuko.
Akuko.
Quo.
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 Is that quo? Quo.
Quo.
Good.
Aku.
Aquo.
Le.
Le.
Le. Ala. Ala.
Ala.
Ala.
Ala.
Ala. Lolo.
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 Lolo. Alu.
Alo.
Olileanya.
Olilianya.
Olileanya.
Good. You can try. You can do it. You can do it.
Mana.
Manya. Very good.
Mana.
Mana.
Ma.
Ma.
Maka.
Maka. Correct.
Ndewo.
Ndewo.
Ndi.
Ndi.
Ndo.
Ndo.
No.
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 Good.
Ngri.
Ngri. And the last one?
Na.
Na. Very good. Clap for yourself. Several times. Several times. Several times. Are you clapping for yourself now? Clap for yourself. Clap for yourself. Good. Okay. Thank you so much for listening, watching, and learning. This is how to pronounce the Igbo words. It's very easy, but it takes practice, okay? Don't just close your book now that you finished. And the kids watching and joining us, enjoy and tell mommy and daddy to pronounce after you if you cannot get anyone. And tell daddy, Daddy, Akugo tells us these words today. And then you pronounce it for daddy and mommy, okay? Good. Alright, so this is the end of the class today. I'll be seeing you next week, Wednesday, for another word of letters that we're going to be pronouncing, okay? See you next time. Love you. Mwah. What do you have to say?
Goodbye.
Goodbye.